have it on. Oh yeah, I should give you the code, huh?
You should. I was waiting. Not even gonna lie.
877 111.
What's the last number?
111. Sounds like a fake ass code.
I thought it was 112.
Alright, buddy. Alright.
Put your bitch ass up.
Alright, good.
We're going to 6 Tanglewood Drive.
Welcome back to an absolute banger video today. Today we're working on
Shut the fuck up.
5.
What you doing over there, Marciano?
Changing the weather.
He said changing the weather.
Where you going?
Who is that?
Where'd you guys go? Going on? You in the back?
You bitch. You motherfucker! Oh my fucking god, this bitch just got me killed, bro. Ah,
Look at that neck.
Fuck this faggot. Where's one?
Yellow?
Is he in here? How did he die?
He died of a fucking heart attack, bro. What the fuck?
One. Fuck no. What does it mean when that crucifix burned? Yeah.
He tried to hunt you.
It went off and then I heard a door open and then I heard hella movement, bro.
Come on, cuz. Wait, we have the monkey paw though. Just hold that out.
Oh.
Like, I wish to be safe or something. My heart's beating. You have the monkey's paw?
No!
Bruh, you
No one. Well, I am a fucking pussy. I'm gonna go. I will see ya. The door's locked. I think I'm good. Alright, well, you guys know I'm a fucking pussy. So, okay. Wow. Some good sanity going on there. Okay. Well, let's see here.
You motherfucker, do not bring the motherfucking monkey paw, you motherfucker.
Yeah, you motherfucker, Marciano. Fluffy queen. Oh, that's what you... You did not say that. You just said bring... You just said we'll bring it. And I assumed you brought it.
Wait, we have the monkey paw though. Just hold that out.
Oh.
Like, I wish to
okay.
be safe, wish to leave.
I have a handprint with the UV light.
Where?
Master bedroom.
Master what?
You be
Shit.
doing what in this bedroom?
You see? Shut the fuck
Move
up.
your arm, I can't see.
Oh, UV. So it's a
Move
gin.
your arm,
Oreo,
hand,
Coke.
I can't see.
Told you Stacy was bad, bro. She was getting action on the window, bro.
Why should she be like 80 years old?
This might just be soap. Oh. I think she had to do her business.
Oh.
Oh,
Was that you?
was that you, Marciano? Was that you?
What was that?
It was a. I think he farted, bro. I think it was you.
Oh, it's
He's in
whispering
here.
to me.
Oh, really? But is it whispering or like actually talking? Last time you said it was
It was
whispering, and that doesn't fucking count. It has to be like, get out of my house or some shit.
Yeah.
Turn off the light. Turn off the. Okay. Let's
Oh,
see.
it walked to the UAV behind you. I just seen it flick.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh, it
It says
did.
Gloria.
My
Okay.
EMF is moving.
Mine's saying Gloria.
It went past the red one behind us, but I don't see her on the green one.
She's not in here anymore.
Yeah, she
She's
walked
not in
out.
here anymore. Yeah, she walked out. She's not in here. She left it.
Oh, you want me to go grab a notebook? See if she could write in it.
Oh,
it
yeah,
could,
you
huh?
should.
Okay, hold on. I'll be
Put it
back.
in the
You
bathroom on
wanna-
the
you wanna-
toilet.
What's her name again?
I'm
Stacy.
moving.
Stacy, can you write something?
Stacy is
on
not
there
in
for
here.
me?
Stacy is not taking a dookie. At
We
this
gotta
very
wait for.
moment,
We gotta wait
she's
for her
He
to
just
come back.
whispered to me.
Let me know when she comes back.
He
Alright.
whispered again.
If
to
she
me.
tries to hunt, we got
She whispered
the
this way.
crucifix. Oh. Right there, right there, right there, right there, right there.
Stacy, can you write that for me? Can you write something on that? For
Damn!
Holy shit!
Oh my god! I got a picture, guys.
That shit was. I can see that shit through the dress.
I
Stacy,
seen it in
can you
the
write
judge.
something on
Look
that
at
for
this. We got. Fuck.
No, you motherfucker!
Alright. It's 526. Around.
526.
Say the code, man.
825. I did. 526.
Are you delayed? Better. Hold
Yo.
on, you delayed?
That sounded hella delayed, bro.
825. What sounded hella delayed?
There's no way.
Is it really that delayed?
Hey, Juan.
Why the fuck is it so
Wait,
laggy,
okay.
bro?
Juan, come here. Juan, come here. Wait, where's Juan?
What?
Juan, come over here. Come with me. Okay. You see this
Why
ball?
the fuck
You
is
see
it
this
so
ball?
laggy,
Wait, give me the ball. Give me the ball. Okay. I'm gonna count down from 3, and when I'm gonna let it go as soon as I count down. I mean, as soon as I hit 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. Now do that.
You didn't say what?
I did say 1.
What? Wait, what was I
This
supposed
guy
to
said a what? Oh my god.
Okay, we're gonna see how delayed our mics are. Ready? I'm gonna count down from 3, and once I hit 0, I'm gonna drop this. I'm gonna throw it. 3, 2, 1, 0. Now do it. Ready? Alright, hold it up. 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yeah, okay, he's back now. He's back.
He was
Yo,
almost
so
second
delayed,
behind, bro.
He was not even a second, he was like 6 seconds
What the
behind.
fuck is this thing, man? Shit ass fucking
Marciano, this is literally him. This is literally him. 3, 2, 1, 0.
Hey, Juan, do it again. Do it again. The bullet
Come
button. Do
here.
it. Get
Grab
back
a
up
bullet.
here. Where you going?
Yeah, it's fucking
He's running in place. He's running.
ready to fuck up, bro. Ready to fuck up, bro.
Oh, I come
Wait,
back.
come here. Come here.
Ready
Come
to
here.
fuck up, bro.
Come
No,
back.
ready to fuck up, bro.
Stop running in
No, ready
place.
to fuck up, bro.
You're lagging. I don't understand what you're saying. Come here.
Are you older than 80?
There's a Luigi board down here.
Is there a list down there? I didn't see it.
Ruth, are you around here right? Are you around here right now? Did you die in this room?
Come on, touch your back.
How old are you?
So fucking special.
Did you die in here?
But I'm a creep.
Are you a weirdo?
I'm a weirdo.
Do you know what you're doing
What
here?
the hell am I doing here?
Do you belong here?